friends. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve homepage on Shein app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Shein. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app, and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.